Hello everyone, today on the channel we're doing a 1-year review on the Arrma Infraction. It's the good stuff, gotta have it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, so you know I did a new series now, the 1-year review. I've actually had this for 2 years, but I want to include all the cars that I've had. So I have a couple of cars I've had for 2 years, so my 1-year review of 2 years of having this. So now this started off life as the Mega. If you're not aware, it was a brushed motor, like a 540 brushed motor. I think it was like a 2-in-1 ESC, something like, I can't remember 100%, but it was okay. It did all right. You know, if you want to tool around the driveway up and down the street, I think it did like maybe 22 miles an hour. Nothing that impressive. So I at one point had put the castle system in here, and it just kept running hot. I think it was just too much kV, something like that, I don't know. So I went to Jenny's RC and got the actual 3S ESC and motor that the real 3S Infraction came with. So this is by all accounts the real deal kind of 3S now. It's got the 3S wheels and tires that would have came with, the ESC, the motor, the fan, all that stuff. I'm not 100% sure, but I did put an AVC receiver in here, so I'm not 100% sure if these can. I know the Vendetta did. I can't remember if this one was supposed to have it or not. Now, the only upgrades I've done right here is I have a metal drive shaft, and I got a carbon fiber center brace. I got this off of eBay. Got the center brace on Amazon. I don't care what you have. It's the Vendetta, this, any of these things on this platform, I would replace the drive shaft. I think this is by Hot Racing. I can't really see the name on there anymore. Yeah, Hot Racing. Check out my Amazon store if you're interested in that. But that's the only thing I've done to this RC. Put that drive shaft in there, because the plastic one in there, it just vibrates and shakes. I mean, you don't even have to speed run and go fast. It's just kind of a horrible setup. So I'd really recommend getting a metal one if you're gonna get this platform. But other than that, man, it's been a good RC. I'm not sure if you could see it, but there's like a crease here in the hood. I was being dumb trying to drive one-handed and drove into the tire of my car, and I bent this whole thing in. So if you look, these tires are hitting the body. So this thing makes a weird noise going down the road. I probably should look at getting another body, seeing this thing is discontinued, and I'll never be able to get one like this. I mean, I could be able to get the 3S body, which looks cool. I think I actually like that color better, but I kind of like this one, especially the Megas are discontinued. You can't get them no more. Can't get the little brushed car. Man, yeah, I really wanted to take this thing over to the tennis courts and do some drifting and that, racing through there, but for some reason they locked them. So I'm gonna do it here. There's no reflectors in that. This is kind of like where I try to do my speed runs. Woo! I'll tell you what, man, the tires in this thing are just shot. I don't need to be probably driving that fast, because these tires are gonna probably blow off. In case you guys missed it. Yeah, you can feel, I know you can't, but I can, there's not a whole lot left. Not a whole lot left of these things. In 2 years of owning this thing, I haven't fixed anything on it. Nothing's broke. I know there was a lot of talk in the beginning when these things first came out. The diffs or whatever were over shimmed. They were too tight. I've opened everything up. I've gone through this whole RC. This one did not have that problem. I said that sound is probably just the body rubbing. This thing's always been loud. I think it's the gear mesh, whatever mod gear I have in this thing. I believe it's the factory setting, maybe in the factory gears. I can't remember. But the cool thing with this RC is that you can do like kind of two things or three things. If you just want to drive up and down the street like that and have fun with it, that's fine. You can come out, do some drifting. You know. Or if you want to build a good speed run car, this is also a good platform for that. I did the speed run out of Vendetta. I got that to 105. I probably could have got faster, but it's kind of like beyond where I could control it. Look at that thing, man. Just straight as can be. The AVC was just working. It was wagging that back end a bit, but whoa. This is such a cool RC, man. It looks amazing. I said you can't get this color, but the new one that it's like black and blue. Oh, it's really pretty too. I'm kind of torn whether go that route or just buy another one of these bodies. I kind of want to keep it with its original appearance with this, but yeah, those tires are like rubbing. But yeah, I'll tell you, I've had this and the Vendetta. They're all like the same platform. They are so man, I've run the Vendetta in the trash cans. When I speed running, it went off in the grass, it tumbled. The only thing I did on one, I broke like one of the axle shafts. But you know, hey, thing went tumbling at like 90 miles an hour, hit a curb and launched. But yeah, this is a really cool RC. I've been happy with it. You know, sometimes you go places there's not gonna be any place off-road to run, or sometimes just feel like doing a little on-road fun. This is kind of like the RC, kind of does it all, man. Speed run, drift, just have some basic fun. So, well, they don't have the Mega anymore, so, but if they did, I would say just go with buy the brushless, because by the time you pay for everything, it probably would have been cheaper in the long run just to go went that route. But it was fun. I just got in the hobby and I was learning. I kind of wanted to mess around, and I probably learned something. I put too much motor in this thing and it just ran so hot it would just shut off. So I kind of learned a little something with that. I also learned I have a little bit of a need for speed. I like it where it's fun and manageable. I've been trying to break 100 with my my Relarlo, and it's just scary, man. It's scary when you start getting that fast. But even the Vendetta, like this is manageable. This is easy. The Vendetta, I come out here, start giving it power, man. That back end wants to come around. Well, there you have it, guys. 1 year or 2 years of having this thing. I like it, man. It's been one tough, durable machine, man. It's put up with a lot. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. Look how mean that is. It's a beautiful RC. It's affordable, 3S brushless. It's fun. I mean, it's a good RC. I've been happy with it. Haven't broken anything. Amazingly, everything I've done to it. So I like it. It's been a good RC. So Guys, I appreciate the support. If you're looking for one, I have a Horizon Hobby affiliate link. It would greatly help me out. I greatly appreciate you. If you buy anything through Horizon, use that link. If you buy anything on Amazon, use that link as well, please. It helps me out, helps me buy these things. I don't get them for free. I gotta buy them. So I need the help to keep the channel running. Everyone, I appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.